Send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now let's first go to the Snapchat application on the device, and you can just go to your chats over here. Now for here, if I want to send a snap, I have to take a picture in the Snapchat application and send it right away. But if I want to use a previous picture, for example this one, I'm going to tap on send and it will be sent to this person. So it will be sent as a photo and not a snap, because if it is a snap it will be termed as delivered like this, given over here. But if not, it will be shown as a picture just like this one. So how do I do it as if it is a snap? I have to just get out of the Snapchat application and go to the Play Store application, and here I need to find the application called OVF editor. So just make sure that you install this application on your device. It is free, so just tap on open, and here you can see the option of photo or video at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, tap on the media tab, which is photo for now. So let us just choose any video over here or the photo. So here you can make any sort of edits that you want, and you can mark it as a Snapchat format as well, which is the one that I have been chosen. Then tap on OK. You can adjust, you can filter, you can add stickers, text, and so on. Now since I don't want to do anything else, I'm going to tap on OK. Now since this is a free application, make sure that you are ready to get a lot of ads. So here it will give a little pop-up of would you like to share the media with the Snapchat app. Just tap on share. So it will lead you directly to the story or the post of the photo or the snap via Snapchat. So here you can tap on send to, and you can just select the people whom you want to send. So here I'm just selecting this person and tap on send. Now let us check if it has been sent as the photo or a snap. So as you can see, it has been delivered as a snap because the sign of delivered has appeared. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.